Are you unable to leave or view comments on Pinterest? Here's how to fix it. Start by checking if your Pinterest app is updated. An outdated version of the app may cause issues with commenting. If you have an outdated version, update it. Next, check your internet connection. A slow connection can cause Pinterest to not load comments. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Try restarting the app. Sometimes simply closing and reopening Pinterest can resolve issues with comments. If comments are not appearing on a specific pin, there might be a temporary issue with Pinterest servers. Wait a few minutes and try again. Finally, ensure that your account has not been restricted from commenting. If Pinterest flagged your account for violating their guidelines, this may limit your ability to interact with posts. If the issue is still unresolved, try logging out and logging back in or reinstalling the app. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.